backhaul operator should do to be able to take advantage of the multi-cost. And the reason is important. It all back down to the dollar and cents. Usually, like in a large national operator, they spend about $1.5 billion or so, depends on the coverage, to $2 billion a year just to acquire the access, Ethernet access to all the cell site coverage, 40,000 to 60,000 sites. But if you can save 25% because most of the world, our data doesn't have to be the voice quality, and that's hundreds of millions of dollars savings from a mobile operator perspective, and increase the efficiency, like Ron's network is increase efficiency quite a bit as well. So let me just kind of stop there. These are huge things that we have done, but I think in terms of the adoption, then obviously once you get standards and we educate markets, it's going to take some time to adoption to happen. Or we actually lay the road away.
Great. Right.
Yeah, really, to echo what Mann said about mobile backhaul in general, I think this rollout of standardized class of services is a tremendous asset to the industry. In the small cell arena, well, it's all Ethernet as the connection to the radio, right? So Ethernet is the de facto technology for this backhaul. But from what we hear from the backhaul providers is that that's still in the early, we're still in the early stages of the small cell deployments. A lot of experimentation going on. The access technology options range from radio type interfaces, microwave. There's also we expect to be a significant amount of fiber being built out for small cells. The voice grade copper is going to get reused for small cell deployments. So pretty exciting time, and I'm sure not to steal any of Ron's thunder, but I think we've got a lot of exciting activities ahead.
Right.
Okay, lessons learned from mobile backhaul. I guess I'd say that at least over the last 12 to 24 months, one key lesson is that we in the U.S. actually should be happy because we've actually had three of the largest providers now going towards 4G LTE, and the availability is obviously coming very quickly. But if you look at the rest of the world, that isn't necessarily the case. So one lesson learned is at least in this period where you're moving from 3G to 4G, you have to have migrations. You have to have the ability to support both the TDM and packet infrastructure in your infrastructure of your network. So things like timing and synchronization still are issues. I know we've talked about a lot of that at MEF as well as other technical forums, but having that hybrid solution is critical because if you think about it, 4G is coming, but it's still in many parts of the world you're running 3G, and actually we're talking today, 3G isn't too bad. It's a good network.